mix. It smells really good. Oh, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, today is a wonderful day. Well, the kids are upstairs playing with their toys. And make sure you like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Enjoy! Let me just mix this food real quick. Oh, hey, Miss Chewy. Oh, hey, Miss Berry. You guys are very good friends. Oh my god, I have to win this game. This game is really impossible to win. Jeez, I'm so clumsy. Let me just watch some videos. This looks interesting. Really interesting. Let me win this game. Oh my god, what was that sound? That was a really loud sound. Yes, Chloe, I heard it. It was a thunderstorm and no need to be scared, okay? Oh, Chloe, there's no need to be scared. I'm here with you. No need to be scared. Cece's here with you. Okay, Cece. Oh my god, the huge thunderstorm is on the news. Wait a second. Oh my god, I'm always clumsy. Chloe, let's just go downstairs and stay with Mom and Dad. Daddy, did you hear the real noise? It was really loud. Yes, Dad. Chloe was so scared and it was a huge thunderstorm. Oh my god.
Oh, come on, kids. There's no need to be scared. Mommy and Daddy are here.
Mommy, me and Sissy heard the real noise. I'm so scared. Yeah, Mom, she's right. It was a huge thunderstorm and it's all over the news. Kids, that was just a huge thunder. Oh my god, Mom, I'm getting so scared. Something's really wrong with the weather, kids. There's no need to be scared. It's just a thunderstorm, okay? Let's just go to the living room and sit down together as a family. I don't know what's wrong with the weather today. Come on, follow me. Let's just go to the living room. Come on, follow me.
I really don't know how long it's gonna take, but let's just sit down together and wait for the lights to get back. It might take a long time.
I guess that this is the hugest thunderstorm I've ever heard. Like, this is really loud. Oh, Chloe, why are you crying? It's just a thunderstorm. Oh, Chloe, there's no reason to cry. It will get back. Well, let me check if there's something on my phone that I can watch. Oh my god, there's no internet. How am I supposed to watch YouTube or play online games? This electricity should get back right now. Or let me just lie down and rest. 1 hour later. It's been an hour that the lights went and it's not yet back. Oh my goodness. Well, let me just lay down here and sleep and wait for the lights to get back. I want to sleep too. Now that they're sleeping, what should we do? Of course, to wait for the lights to get back. There's nothing else to do. Oh, Chloe, your nap didn't even take 2 minutes. We would just get back. Oh my god. Oh my god, the lights are back. Finally, now we can do whatever we want to do. lights are back. Wow. The wings are big. Hooray. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Mom, does that mean that now we can go to the park? Yeah, sure.